Tell us all about it, honey.
Okay.
Where were you?
Where'd you get the stuff?
Where'd you get that stuff?
From Nicholas.
With
Uh-oh. Your treasures fell down. What kind?
And not my purse. I got more pennies.
what's in the pennies?
Chocolate. Even little tiny pennies.
And you take the gold off, and then there's something inside, right?
Yeah, chocolate.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
And then one more penny. Chocolate and guys.
Yummy.
I mean two more. One and two. They're
Wow.
all together within a lineup.
Do you like birthday parties?
Yeah.
He said he had some cake.
Yeah.
How big was your cake?
This big. I mean this big.
That big?
Yeah.
You ate the whole thing?
Yeah. But Dad, can you open this
What do you want in there?
chocolate?